how to show or hide products rating on your store on Bigcommerce. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to show it or hide it. First, open your browser and then click settings, and now scroll down until you find here display, and now scroll down until you find product settings, and here we'll find show products, shipping cost, this one here, show products rating. Now you can turn it off or on and click save, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.